The power of nature and the power of understanding is something that we should never take for granted. Because nature teaches us every day. When you look around, there's something right there to learn. I'm reminded of the story of the ant. And when the season was sunny and the summer was at its peak, the ant never stopped to work. The ant was constantly fetching and getting supplies and stowing them away. In comes cricket. Every night of the summer, cricket was singing and playing the fiddle, having a nice time. Played music, danced, sang for everyone. It was really good because that's what the cricket does anyway. Rains came, rained and rained and rained and rained everywhere. It drenched. The cricket had nowhere to keep warm. The cricket was hungry, had not stored up any supplies. Cricket runs to the aunt's house and knocks at the door and asks, "Please, aunt, come on, open for me. It's me, your friend. Remember, I used to play at the bar next door, sang for everyone, entertained everyone, but now it's raining outside. I need some help. Could you please share some of your food with me and give me a place to rest and to keep warm?" And he said, "No, I'm sorry, cricket. We had the same time, we had the same sun, we had the same hours of the day. And I was busy breaking my back trying to store something for this day that was an eventuality. What I have in store is enough for me and my family. I'm so sorry, cricket. I can't really help you at this time." Rains fell and hit hard on the ground, and everywhere flooding and the waters rising. Cricket stood no chance. He drowned. Was carried away by the waters. Long after the rains had dried, cricket was forgotten. And the ant came out of his safety, dry and well fed, and started all over again to get ready for the next season. That's just how life is, man. That's the story of our life. All these lessons, we find them in nature. We just need to open our eyes and see. Again, mind who you run to beg for help. Black and white, good people, black and white, everything black and white.